coming.
Service to Tipsy. Berkeley, Bray, Tilbury Town, East Tilbury, Stanfordly Hope and Tipsy. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Change at Tilbury Town.
357318. Chris, I'm doing train spotting. Welcome to another trains app, and today we're at Rainham on the Southend Railway. You'll see plenty of C2C services and freight trains. Right? That's what that guy does. So I keep asking him to do Fenton Street and he won't. Are we going all the way to London?
Huh?
Are we going all the way to London? We got 8, we should go London.
Frank Lampard scored again last night.
Oh yeah, he played for... The train's coming. All this for one stop, Chris. It's not even worth doing, is it? She got the back. It's coming. Hello, South East Essex. How have you? Why has this got 8 and that's got 4?
It's going into the city.
And people don't work this time of night. Actually, they do.